So in terms of student health and well-being, there are a lot of guidelines given by the government that schools need to follow, whether it's to do an annual health checkup of every child or take care of a child's emotional well-being or focus on their nutrition. But a lot of time what happens is that all this health information about a child, whether they're doing an annual checkup by a doctor or they're going to the school medical room, all of this is recorded on paper. And even a lot of these children's vaccination information by the parents, every visit to the doctor, it's all paper based. And in an economy like UAE, which is so focused on tech, what we believe is that digital health transformation is extremely important in schools, so that from the time a child enters the school at the age of 2 to the time when they leave the school, all their health information is digitally stored, and it's available not only to the schools to make better decisions. For example, if a school knows that 40% of their children are overweight, right, or 20% have a dental issue, then they can take further action on that on a school level. And if the parents know that their child has any issue, could be an eyesight issue or a dental issue or even a mental health issue, that is something that parents can take action on at the earliest. So having this digitized and having a digital medical record can be an invaluable asset to the education space, which we believe is currently missing. And as an organization, that is one of our key focus areas, that every school should have a health management system, infirmary management, management of all the children's annual health checkup data, and ensuring that that data is communicated to the parents as well in the best way possible.